Okay.
Hello everyone and welcome back to coolcapetravel.com for fun and informative travel videos. We are still at the magnificent Umgeni River Bird Park in Durban, and I remember coming here myself in 1991 on a school trip when I was only 12 years old, all the way from Pretoria, which is hundreds of miles away, and I was completely bedazzled by this place. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, they have been educating children from all over South Africa since 1984. Okay, everybody, it is day 2 at the Umgeni River Bird Park, and we're starting at the Stalks today. Here we have another mesmerizing look at a Toco toucan, and they will be getting their own episode here on coolcapetravel.com. Stay tuned. Also, thank you to everybody who's subscribing to my channel. That's totally awesome. We're about to hit 3,000 subscribers, and if you haven't done so yet, please do so right now so I can make sure that you don't miss out on any more fun travel videos. Hello. 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 I finally got these lesser palm cockatoos in the sunshine. I've been waiting for the shot. Enjoy. They are crazy.
So the bed by itself, they kill one way. So now they very good. So I think that bed by the most time I feel like why I said it's still a baby is because such guys can live up to 80 to 90 to have a long lifespan. So that's why I said it's still a baby because The long one. This one, guys, is a crane of Washo. His name is Kaya, and Kaya is a barb-house reef hornfish. I know Kaya is such a long name, but it's other chunk of the hornfish. So the reason why Kaya said is a crane is because this one is turning 89 years old. Yeah. So it's very old. It's older than me. Yeah. So I'm just to see. So the difference is this one, as you can see, Kaya hopping from one stage to another. You can start, for example, big animals like hyena and the lion, but most of the time Kaya is always hopping from one place to another. And Kaya is a fruit eater. If you see, he is eating Kaya, banana and melon. So one day, people try to put Kaya only prepare hot food, cocoa, banana, watermelon and grapes. So if you want to bring food for Kaya, don't bring apple, not for it. And these bird guys actually the one they pair for that. The male and the female, they always together. So we have fish breeding season. So the female Kaya can look their hole in that female. So Kaya, she can live up to 40 Lakovara. So it's only 4 years old. Only 4 years old. Still a face, only 4 years old. Yeah. You see the wind still there. Because the time was here was completely taking time. Okay, guys, the first thing guys allow you to show you guys, if notice guys, soil of them don't be with your cow. So their cows guys get fed and can scoop that 10 liters of water out in the water. Because guys, this thing can go in the water, you just scoop 10 liters of water out in the water. And some people guys, they always say, pelican guys, they give fishermen competition. Simply because guys, this one guys is very clever. Because know that fish is always seen in food. So this one is just open the pouch. And all the fish going to the water, so guys as fast as possible. The time fishermen is so simple guys, no, not simple. Solo guys is a funny pelican. Only prefer chicken, not fish. And guys, measure guys chicken from Woodway, not fish. So if you feel chicken from Rainbow or anything, this one you're not gonna eat it. I promise you guys.
And here we are back again at the king vulture, which is a totally kooky animal, a very distinctive bird. The king vulture is easily recognized. They eat carrion. They have a thick, strong beak, which is well adapted for tearing, and long, thick claws for holding the meat. And unlike many New World vultures, the king vulture does not have eyelashes. Thank you so much for joining us today, ladies and gentlemen, and have a lovely day.